The purpose of today's training is a Train the Trainer training course with Oxford Nanopore. A year ago, DIPLOMICS set up a nanopore working group with 8 of our partner labs with the aim of testing nanopore technology in their labs, and that was very successful. And this year we are taking that further. We have signed a collaboration agreement with Oxford Nanopore, and the first step of that agreement is that Nanopore have provided the training to our key labs. So these are power NGS users from our partner labs who are taking part in the training today. This training is important because it enables our key users to become trained as trainers. They in turn are going to return to their home institutions, and they will be organizing training courses of the students and researchers in their network.
We are partnering with DIPLOMICS to support their sequencing networks to enable Oxford Nanopore sequencing technology to be used across South Africa and beyond. The participants have been really enthusiastic during this course. They've asked us lots of questions, and Charles and I have been working with lots of them to plan their future experiments.
My favorite part of the training has been actually learning how to deal with the data. So seeing the whole process from start to finish. I generally work with the sequencers, and ONT is the first time that I've actually worked with the Oxford Nanopore Technology. So seeing it from start to finish and how flexible this technology is incredible. So I've really enjoyed getting a thorough background in this technology.
I really like the interaction with the Oxford Nanopore group because they obviously come with information that as an end user you're not always familiar with. And so it just enriches the experience because you get to ask all the in-depth questions that you always have.
My most favorite part of this course was actually getting down and dirty with the lab work and getting to experience working with DNA, as I'm always working with RNA. I appreciated meeting a lot of new people that are using the same platform and exchanging our knowledge and experiences in this field.
My favorite part of this training workshop has been twofold. I've really enjoyed interacting with other people in the same field as myself and their enthusiasm, and I've really enjoyed learning the nitty-gritties of the techniques.
Since I am from the University of Pretoria and our focus is on training students, my experience from this course will be used to develop student capacity in sequencing and to encourage their learning of the technologies and to use this in their projects.
I think this course will help us to improve our understanding of this technology so we can start implementing it at our unit. And the more we know about it, the better we can train future researchers that join our unit.
So I'd just like to thank DIPLOMICS for this opportunity and the opportunity to pulling together facilities all over South Africa that we can actually build up together instead of working against each other, have collectively built knowledge within South Africa so that we can train students that have got international standards that can work anywhere in the world with pride and with self-confidence.
Genomics is the future, and we are able in South Africa to access a lot of these both long read and short read technologies. It's a very exciting field to be in. DIPLOMICS is gearing up to be more involved in the genome sequencing space, and we will be providing more opportunities for this in future.